Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to compare two columns for matches in Excel in just a few simple steps. Click cell C2 to select it. This is where you'll write the formula that checks if the value in column B exists anywhere in column A. The cell highlights with a blue border when selected. Type the formula equals IF, open parenthesis, countif, open parenthesis, $A, $2, colon, $A, $5, comma B, 2, close parenthesis, greater than 0, comma quote, match, quote, comma quote, no match, quote, close parenthesis, and press enter. The formula result match appears in cell C2, confirming that the value in B2 exists in column A. The dollar signs lock the column A range so it doesn't shift when you copy the formula down. That way every row checks against the same reference list. With cell C2 still selected, you'll see a small square at the bottom right corner of the cell. That's the fill handle. It appears as a small blue square on the border of the selected cell. Click and drag the fill handle down to cell C5 to copy the formula through the rest of the rows. As you drag, a shaded outline shows which cells will receive the formula. The results appear in each cell: match, match, no match, match, showing which values from column B have a corresponding match in column A. The dollar signs in the formula lock the column A range so it stays fixed when you copy the formula down. If you leave them out, the reference will shift and the comparison won't work correctly. If you want to compare values the other way around, checking which items in column A appear in column B, just swap the references. Put your countif range as column B and the lookup value as the column A cell. You can also drag the fill handle across multiple columns at once if you need to apply the same logic to several comparisons side by side. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.